Yeah, people got another trade. I've got a couple of trades now where I've started recording, thinking for the setup, and then got to a point where I was like walking through the setup. It just looked a shit trade, so sat it on. So yeah, I've not taken a trade. This is mid-May. I don't think I've taken a trade since the end of April, so I've had like 2 weeks of price action that I'm not particularly happy with. So we'll see how we go on. But okay, daily, it's been a bit funny recently, but we are trending up now. We've then inversed this daily fair value gap here, inverse the daily with this candle here, and then, well, I get smoked. So 4 hour we didn't get an actual fill. In fact, we inversed this gap here. However, we did sweep beneath the previous day high, previous day low, sorry. So a big draw on liquidity, and then we rallied. We rallied, created this hourly fair value gap here, and then inversed the other one. So inverse this little gap in here. Which again, I like to see. I like to see us inverse and then fill, which is good. 15-minute, got this kind of curve up, and then we got a new kind of just kind of wiped out all these positions here, and then we trended higher, pushed into my concern here is this is the previous day high. However, if you look at the draws and liquidity here, we've got this 4 hour here that we could hold. However, I do think we're going to continue to push higher daily. All this, you got this high here, not been taken yet. So I do think since we're trending higher, I don't think that'll be enough to stop us, and we are trending really bullish. So happy to kind of just assume that we are going to continue to push at least a little bit higher, but we'll see. We'll see. I might look at maybe with my stop. I don't know. It's really this that I'm worried about. I would like us to close outside of that, and we've got 4 hours to do it pretty much. Well, 3 hours 20. So that's my only concern here. But I mean, yeah, and then 5-minute rallied, came back into this region here, filled the fair value gap, broke higher, and then yeah, 15-minute filled, 5-minute filled, 1 minute shifted market structure. Well, broke structure to the upside, filled this fair value gap. So we'll go on that. We'll see how we go. What are we doing here? What are we filling? 5-minute, nothing. 3-minute, potentially a gap. No, there's no gap. Yeah, it's good PA so far. Happy with that. Might trail off stop to this low here. Don't see why we would come back into this area here. Actually, I'm going to wait for the moment. Right, I'm now moving that to at least this low, maybe even break even since we've retraced into that area. I'm going to hold at that low just in case we close this gap in a minute. Come back, retrace into here, maybe even wick through, break even. Let's go. Right, that's break even now. Because I was worried that we were going to come back in here, hold this fair value gap, but then wick through break even, so I don't want to move too early. We still could. Oh no, we're going all the way down. Invest that. Did we make the right call? Let's see. Ooh, right, okay. So, fair, it's difficult to see your price get to. Oh wait, what? Oh wait, no, that wouldn't have made a difference. I didn't set it to 1.1.5. 1 to 1.5, but yeah, still wouldn't have made a difference. That's what it should have been. So it would have hit full take off it. Did it come into that 1 minute? Yeah, it did, and it held the 1 minute. But I mean, price ran up to, it would have been literally 90% of my take profit. It's never going to not move it to break even there. That would be silly. But I mean, what can you do about that? Came back down, didn't take out that low, and then pushed higher. But I mean, at least our narrative was right after that. Analysis was largely correct given that But I mean, yeah, came on here, inverse that 5 minute. For me, that looks like we're gonna got to here, moved stock to break even. Definitely didn't look to me like we're gonna. I mean, it looked to me like if we inverse this area here, we're gonna go straight all the way to take full stop loss. So it's funny that it didn't, but I'm overall happy with the trade. As I said, my read on the narrative is sometimes pretty poor. We got that right today, so I'm happy with that. And a break even, can't complain too much about really. Obviously, it makes it a bit more difficult when you get stopped at a break even and you see your price run all the way to take profit. But it's one of them, gonna happen sometime, and I'd rather take that than a loss. So all good. If there's anything I've missed, let me know. Otherwise, I'll catch you next one. Appreciate it.